Anywhere you go in the world and you don't find an Igbo person there, my brother, my sister, you might just be in the middle of nowhere. Okay, I'm joking. But seriously, Igbo people are everywhere. From Lagos to London, from New York to Johannesburg, from Tokyo to Toronto. One thing is certain, wherever you find Igbo people, you find hard work, business, and of course, culture. This is one thing Igbo people do not joke with, their culture. And this weekend, London witnessed exactly that. The city came alive as thousands of Igbo sons and daughters gathered for one of the biggest celebrations of Igbo heritage, the Igbo Festival of Arts and Culture, IFAC 2026. Today's video is a special highlight of everything that made the event unforgettable.
Have it without coming together. So we solicit for everybody to come together. Let us have one voice. Let Nigeria government help us. Make it work. If they cannot help us, let them allow us to go. We are working on one agenda, peaceful revolution. We are supporting the release of human and they must stop sponsoring security.
So if you're in London over the weekend, chances are you definitely heard the sounds of traditional drums, saw colorful Ishiago outfits, beautiful George rappers, choral beads, traditional dancers, and smiles everywhere. The celebration wasn't limited to the event venue alone. One of the videos that has gone viral shows hundreds of Igbos taking over a London train, singing, dancing, laughing, and proudly celebrating their culture on their way to the festival. The atmosphere was indeed very electric. Passengers couldn't help but stop, watch, record videos, and join in the excitement. Moments like this actually remind us that culture truly has no borders. The Igbo Festival of Art and Culture is about preserving identity. It's about teaching younger generations where they come from. And it's about speaking the language, celebrating the food, honoring traditions, and reminding the world that the Igbo culture is rich, vibrant, and alive. So whether you were born in Nigeria or born abroad, events like this create a bridge between generations. As you watch this highlight, just look at the colors, the traditional attire, the music, the cultural display, the masquerades, the performances, the excitement on people's faces. This wasn't just about gathering, it was a celebration of heritage. One thing this particular event reminds me of is how global the Igbo community has become. Today you find successful Igbo professionals, entrepreneurs, academics, health workers, artists, and business owners in every corner of the world. So I urge you all to stay tuned and enjoy some of the best moments from the weekend. If you were there, you probably have your own favorite moments, and if you weren't, hopefully this highlight will make you feel like you're part of it.
Unity message, guys. Please go on. We just finished having the same discussion with the president Nigeria, so it is Diaspora, inside job Ghana wine for the past 3 years. And all the silicon justice are sent to life imprisonment in Sokoto. Yes, Yana knows every day so much misinformation panelized from the pit of hell. So, and you're about to ask, Congress of Igbo leaders, through you, labor leader, can be Ozi that IPOB are strong, united. Yes. One family, under one leadership, yes. Which is the Directorate of State, yes. In the absence of our people should stop Igba Egusi on social media. Even okay, on the memo I hear it. Every man, I'm not casting social media. Number in and when I do anybody, I see join the leadership of IPOB now UK and director. Nnamdi Kanu has not been forgotten by IPOB and will never be forgotten. Process no longer got through. We are new Munia and those who hijacked the legal process to get through. Unfortunately, are not well. As the social media, the only thing IPOB decided is after 5 years that here we game plan, a strategy, a good one, Nigeria. So the start off from here, actually, we wanted Diaspora. I focus then on more like the least mass and the mass. So I went on all the tables. No, we will put back Diaspora referendum, free Biafra, injustice and Christian genocide on top. And then underneath, release mass and yes. Because I went to here and will be free. They will suspend the office mass in Namdekano. Yes. Not him as a person. Because he also hijacked the office when he made this information. Now, because yes. Man, for the ignorant, I'm not the money. But in the Igbo, we say what the whole thing and IPOB resolved now debate institutionalization of IPOB, which was started in 2016. The way politics hold way back. That institutionalization now will mean that as much as we could, leader of CIA, you need to be a member of IPOB, but even when they stay, you are a stakeholder. And so is every other Igbo person of note. Yes. Because I need no one. The most on your voice, you know, matter. When you the Supreme Leader, addition na Uzayanaga Uzo. And Uzayanaga Uzo is the Uzayanaga for nothing sake. Yes. And I go further. That is the only thing. A peaceful way. Nigeria will send back. I got block this route. Today, you got no second division of car. All those things are lies from the feet of God. IPOB leadership remains solid. And we remain so till Nnamdi Kanu Abutagba. Yes. Till I wanted the Africa. Yes. So Mazi Surani Baso Ozia. Yes. Ozo Igbo. How we water. The Kayan goes Yunus. As he is I pass this message to the Council of Ndez and make sure that this message from my voice even I will speak about I can have from Germany. Oh, you can't go in the struggle. You know.
I am Mitchell. I'm giving you what you want. Thank you so much. God bless.
I say, I need to take one man and I. Only today, man, and 2012. Yes. All the man can leave. One day, people get very deep when they're free. One of the guys, you will be done. I found this festival will be done. for all you're doing and your sacrifice to me. God, you go because you are my
Say,
Ofum boss, I get more wine. I'm an event one night working on the gun on a file. To persevere until I did not the gun to one night with the our friend, full our comrade. May God continue to guide him until the people and his people become a nation of their own. God bless
no tactics to hold us back. And IPOB in every position to see what we call institutionalization, which will mean that only one individual can in the store Diaspora code, we are all stakeholders, including those who are not yet in IPOB, all stakeholders, CIL, other Igbo group and non-Igbo group in a peaceful way. Other countries are many. Yes. Do your research from 1991 to today. What has been wrong for 30 years, some long, shorter years? What is the independence? Eritrea, for example. South Sudan, for example. Yeah. And then leaders in Europe, they are legion. So why can't we? Anyone want a population of more than 70 million? Yeah. Some of these countries, they will 2 million. And they are just so we can achieve it. So time is and IPOB one family. Nigeria is confusion in us, and us in the division. Those who are lies from the people there. IPOB remember under one structure, under one command, led by the Directorate of State, DOS. In the absence of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comes out, he will come back to IPOB. Sit on the right. So much water passed under the bridge. Yes. And I correct here in house. So we have to watch it. No. Making it in the public. No. But I'm a henry. Only one second and Nnamdi Kanu see as a clear from Sokoto. It's a lie. From Nnamdi Kanu. It's a lie. So now we're getting Nigerians. It's a lie. And Nayondi today, one can disregard yes. For the first time, Kawanine, Fulani, Nigeria. Africa, man, Igbo, IPOB is one. And speak with one voice. Yes. No IPOB. I get the president in the Okay. What we want is peace. Yes. We want Igbo unity. We want all Igbo in UK to be together. Yes. For me, I don't like division. What I like, let us come together so that we can speak with one voice. Yes. So the one that was yes. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be released. Yes. We are seeking for his release. Unconditionally. We are praying that he will come out. Definitely. He will come out. Igbo with a voice in Nigeria. But we cannot have it without coming together. So we solicit for everybody to come together. Let us have one voice. Let Nigeria government help us. Make it work. If they cannot help us, let them allow us to go. We are working on one agenda, peaceful resolution. We are supporting the release of life. And they must stop sponsoring insecurity.